Hello, and welcome to eXp Realty's Listing Forms Workshop. In this section, we're going to review the Working with Real Estate Agents form. This form explains the relationships in which a realtor can work with a buyer or seller. It's a 4-page document that requires not only your seller's signature, but the realtor's signature as well. In short, this form discusses and describes relationships such as seller's agent, which represents the sellers only, disclosed dual agency, which of course allows the agent to represent both parties at the same time, treating both parties fairly and equally to bring the deal to a close. A buyer's agent, which of course represents the buyers only, or a seller's agent working with a buyer for agencies that don't offer buyer agency, or the buyer doesn't want anyone to act as their buyer agent. If there is another agent acting as a sub-agent, then you would need to check the box accordingly, stating that you have disclosed that there is a seller sub-agency involved in the transaction. This form requires some information from the broker realtor. You need to state your name, license number, and firm name. By initialing and signing this form, you, the agent, are stating that you have furnished a copy of this brochure to the seller and reviewed it with them. On the last page, please remember to have your seller print their name legibly and sign. By signing this form, the seller or buyer is stating that they've received this form from the agent and you have reviewed it with them. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed this section on working with real estate agents.